Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You need two things first: the Galaxy A13 and the TV or display on the same Wi-Fi. Once ready, swipe down from top, make sure Wi-Fi is on. Then tap Smart View in Quick Settings. That launches the mirroring client. You do this because Smart View uses local network discovery. It finds devices fast. Keep the phone unlocked so the session can establish without timeouts. If Smart View isn't visible, edit Quick Settings and add it before continuing. Once Smart View shows available devices, tap the name of the TV or adapter you want to mirror to. Make sure you accept any pairing or input change prompt on the TV. The phone will ask permission to capture your screen, grant it so audio and video stream. If you see multiple entries, pick the display with a familiar model name. Then check the aspect ratio setting. Switch to 16:9 for full screen video or keep original to avoid cropping. To end mirroring, open Smart View and tap Disconnect or use the Quick Settings toggle. That cleanly stops the stream. Once connected, you can play videos, show slides, or mirror apps. Make sure Do Not Disturb won't block notifications if you need them. If performance is poor, reduce phone screen brightness and close heavy apps. This frees CPU and network. And if it still fails, reboot router, then phone, then TV. That clears network glitches and resolves most connection issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.